Just received this leg support, leg elevation pillow for review, and I'm coming on here to show you guys what it's actually like. So this is the actual pillow. It is very, very nice and comfy. Although it is soft, it is very, very sturdy as well. And it's got kind of like this breathable fabric on the outside, which is really cool. Also has a pocket over here where maybe you could put your phone or something you would like to hold, maybe a drink or something. And then you can also zip this whole part off and you can wash it in the washing machine. So very easy to clean. Now let's actually test it out. We've got some different positions we can test this out in. So the first one is your leg elevation. So say you're injured or something, maybe you're in a boot. This is how you would elevate your legs. It is very comfortable, super, super comfortable. It has the curvature fit for your legs, so that is an amazing feature about it. Say you're recovering from a serious injury to your leg and you want to still be able to, work. This is a great way to kind of have your legs elevated, feeling good. You can have your laptop here and working. And then you can also use it the other way. So this way is supporting your knee. And this is also super, super comfortable, but I love that it's very functional and just very multi-purpose. You can use it for all different things. Super comfortable. And then the other thing you can also use it for is back support. So if you need, say if I was right to the wall, I can put this here and it would support my back. Feels great. It's like a little bit more sturdy than your average pillow, and it just feels like you're getting that extra support from it, which is really, really nice. And then one more thing, you could literally just use it to relax. You can use it as an actual pillow, and yeah, it's pretty comfy. Say you just want to relax, be on your phone. This is a really comfy way to use it. So if you're looking for a pillow like this, maybe you injured your foot, maybe you need your leg elevated, or maybe you just want something comfortable, definitely recommend you check out this product on Amazon.